Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. Begin by ensuring you have the working key fob and 2 fresh AAA batteries installed, the vehicle key blade, and the vehicle parked with the ignition off. Keep all doors closed except the driver door to avoid interruptions. Stay calm and follow each step slowly, and have your original key handy in case you need to revert settings or enter valet mode for programming. To enter programming mode, unlock all doors using the power door lock switch to ensure the vehicle electronics are awake. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle to the RUN position without starting the engine, then return to OFF and remove the key if required by your model. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button then the unlock button on the key fob 3 times each, confirming a successful prompt or chime before proceeding to the next pairing steps. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you like staying organized while working on your Jeep, these leak-proof containers are perfect for parts, screws, and snacks between jobs. They seal tight, stack neatly, and cut down on kitchen mess when you meal prep before long afternoons of tinkering. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When pairing, hold the key fob near the steering column and press lock and unlock together for 2 seconds to transmit the signal clearly. If the vehicle responds with a horn chirp or door lock cycle, the fob has been accepted. If not, repeat the programming sequence or replace the battery with a fresh one. Finally, walk around the vehicle and test every function, including panic and remote start if applicable, to verify full operation before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.